In this short video, I'm making a few modifications to the deck setup of my current working sea kayak. I'm often coaching and guiding in tide races, rock gardens and surf, so I need a well-organised rough water boat that will help me look after my group members. I'm going to make a few small adjustments to this factory standard boat, mainly to improve the safety and effectiveness of my rough water rescues. The changes and additions I make here improve a swimmer's ability to safely keep contact with my kayak, simplify the stowing of paddles during a rescue, and reduce the number of snag hazards on the boat. First, I cut off the fitted toggles, which come with securing bungees and twin strands of rope. I keep the toggle itself and replace the line with a single strand of more substantial rope. Here I'm using 5mm cord, which resists abrasion better than most standard toggle lines. I also need to drill out the hole to fit the larger diameter cord, and I'm careful to choose the right drill bit. Once I've threaded the toggle onto the new cord, I set the length and tie it in place with a double fisherman's knot, leaving a long enough tail to renew the toggle cord if it wears through. I fit short lengths of poly tubing to the Deckline sections close to the ends of the kayak. This is a more comfortable and secure material for swimmers and rescuers to grip, especially in cold weather. I also fit a short length of poly tubing on a Deckline section close to the cockpit, where I might secure a contact tow line. To fit the tubing, I need to unthread the deck line from the recessed deck fittings. This is much easier if I unscrew the first fitting to create some slack in the system. I can then release the knot at the end of the deck line and unthread the lines until I can access the sections onto which I will slide pre-cut lengths of poly tubing. You can buy this tubing from most hardware stores. It comes in different diameters, so take a short length of deck line with you to ensure you buy the right stuff. You may need to remove other fittings to rethread the deck line, depending on the design. When all the poly tubing is in place, I can retension the deck line and tie the final knot to secure the system. It's often easier to do this before replacing the final fitting. I often place a paddle park near the bow of the kayak, using a length of poly tubing and tension bungee cord. This lets me stow a paddle, the other end secured under the deck elastics near the cockpit. It's a secure and accessible system in rough water rescues. Finally, I remove any items that might be snag hazards in rescue situations. Some manufacturers have external hatch cover retainers which can snag tow lines, paddles and people. I remove them all, which makes the hatch covers more vulnerable to loss unless they are secured to the inside of the hatch. So that's it. A few small changes to improve the safety and effectiveness of my kayak setup for rough water coaching and guiding. These are the choices that work for me. I follow the principles of simplicity and security. I also recognise there are many more alterations I could make, so as ever, the choice is yours. If you've enjoyed this short sea kayak decision making video, you'll find more at our Kayak Essentials website. You can also access a large and increasing range of resources via our Essential membership platform. We've created a range of videos, articles, presentations and podcasts focusing on personal skills, navigation tools, leadership strategies and coaching issues. Membership costs only £3.60 per month with no minimum sign-up period. You also get access to our award-winning Sea Kayak Essentials instructional films. We think that's excellent value. Check out our Kayak Essentials website for more information. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the water.